This is the second equation from the chapter redox reaction. Next equation, which is we are going to balance this equation using oxidation number method. So in the equation, the first step is you find the oxidation state of all the elements. So we have calculated the oxidation state of Mn, Cl, which is plus 5, oxygen is minus 2, Mn plus 4, oxygen minus 2, Cl plus 4, and oxygen again minus 2. You locate the changes where the oxidation numbers are changing. Mn from plus 2 is becoming plus 4 in MnO2. Here there is increase in the oxidation state by 2. In ClO3 minus giving ClO2, from plus 5 the oxidation state of chlorine is becoming plus 4. So here there is decrease by 1. We have located the change. Now add the two equations. We have first written the two equations separately. Now you should multiply first. Multiply the two equations by the opposite numbers. So Mn चा इक्वेशन आपण 1 नी मल्टिप्लाय करणार and Cl चा इक्वेशन आपण 2 नी मल्टिप्लाय करणार. So Mn plus 2 giving MnO2 त्याला फक्त 1 नी मल्टिप्लाय केलाय आणि सेकंड इक्वेशनला आपण 2 नी मल्टिप्लाय केलाय. Twice of ClO3 minus giving twice of ClO2. Now add the two equations. You get Mn plus 2 plus twice of ClO3 minus giving MnO2 plus twice of ClO2. This becomes a balanced equation because if you see इथपर्यंत आपण चार्जेस इक्वलाइज केलेत, बट आता लास्ट स्टेज काय असते, ऑक्सिजन आणि हायड्रोजन बॅलन्स करा. इथे जर ऑक्सिजन चेक केला तर लेफ्ट हँड साईडला पण 6 ऑक्सिजन ॲटम्स आहेत अँड राईट हँड साईडला पण 6 ऑक्सिजन ॲटम्स ऑटोमॅटिकली येत आहेत. सो इथे आपल्याला ऑक्सिजन बॅलन्स करायची गरज नाही आहे. दिस इटसेल्फ बिकम्स अ बॅलन्स्ड equation. So this finishes the balancing of equation by using oxidation number method. The next point that we have to do is the concept of redox reaction and electrode potential. For studying this concept, we are going to see Daniell cell. I have written in the bracket Daniell cell. Now Daniell cell मध्ये काय, it is a cell that is generated and this cell is showing redox reaction that is taking place here. Cell consists of two beakers. एक beaker मध्ये there is zinc sulfate solution and second beaker consists of copper sulfate solution. Zinc sulfate solution मध्ये zinc rod is dipped and copper sulfate solution carries copper rod in it. The two rods are connected externally by voltmeter that I have written V. Circle मध्ये V, it is voltmeter, and the two solutions are connected by salt bridge. एक यू शेप ट्यूब तुम्हाला दिसतंय डायग्राम मध्ये, बीकर मध्ये डिप केलेला यू शेप, इन्व्हर्टेड यू शेप्ड ट्यूब विच इज कॉल्ड अ सॉल्ट ब्रिज. तो नेसेसरी आहे हा सेल जनरेट करायला. तो नसेल तर हा रिएक्शन होणार नाही, म्हणून सॉल्ट ब्रिज इज नीडेड. डिटेल्स आपण 12th मध्ये स्टडी करणार की सॉल्ट ब्रिजचं काय फंक्शन आहे एक्झॅक्टली. नाउ व्हेन द टू beakers are connected, two half cells are connected, you get generation of whole one cell which is called as Daniell cell. When the reaction starts, the zinc rod undergoes oxidation by forming Zn plus 2 ions and losing 2 electrons. You can see the reaction in front of you. Zinc rod मध्ये reaction होतोय, Zn plus 2 ions form होत आहेत आणि 2 electrons release झाले. हे 2 electrons rod वरती राहतात and Zn plus 2 ions which are formed, they go into the solution of zinc sulfate. These 2 electrons which are remaining on the rod, they travel from the rod through the metallic wire and reach the other side. They reach the copper rod. Copper rod वरती जाऊन पोहोचतात electrons. Zinc कडून lose झालेले electrons copper rod वरती पोहोचतात and after reaching the copper rod, they gain the copper plus 2 ions from the solution. Solution मध्ये copper plus 2 चे ions आहेत. Copper plus 2 ions from the solution take the 2 electrons and form copper. So in this way, in the whole cell, you can see there is loss of electron from zinc and gain of electron by copper sulfate solution. This forms a Daniell cell and it shows a redox reaction that is taking place in the cell. Now voltmeter मध्ये जे काय रीडिंग येणार आहे, that will be the electrode of the whole cell. EMF, आपण सेलचा इलेक्ट्रोड इथे voltmeter मध्ये आपल्याला डायरेक्टली रीडिंग मिळेल. that will show the EMF of the cell. So this becomes the study of Daniell cell, which is making the use of redox reaction.